Hello, scholars, and welcome to Math with Mr. Ray. So, I am going to show my thinking for how I solved each of these problems. And what your job is to answer the questions. Okay? A baker has 3/4 a pound of sugar. She uses 1/8 of a pound of sugar for each batch of cookies. How many batches of cookies can she make? Well, since I know the baker has 3/4, I know that that is the total. And I know that she uses 1/8, so I know that is the divisor. My number sentence is 3/4 divided by 1/8. Since I cannot divide across because 4 goes into 8, um, 4 divides into 8 as a decimal. I need to multiply by the reciprocal. So I have to keep that 3/4, switch the sign to multiplication and flip this to 8/1. And that'll give me 24/4, which could be converted into 6 batches. So the next one. Amir has 5/6 of a yard. And because it has, that is the total. Each gift requires 1/4 yard. How many gifts? So I have to divide 5/6. How many complete? Complete is my buzzword because it tells me that I'm looking for whole numbers. Which means I could cross out D and I can cross out B. 5/6 divided by 1/4. Since I cannot divide across, I have to multiply 5/6 by the reciprocal. That'll give me 20/6. 6 goes into 23 times. And 2, 6, which is 3 1/3. But because we want complete, we're looking for a whole number. So our answer is C. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to this? Okay, so I know exponent means to multiply the base by itself to the given power. Okay. Um, but I also know, so 3 squared times 2 to the third power means 3 times 3. Sorry, let me fix that. 2 times 2 times 2, and 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. I know this is wrong because this person may have thought that this means 2 times 3, and it does not mean 2 times 3. So like 2 to the third power does not, is not 2 times 3, right?
Jammed.
So this says evaluate the expression. If I'm evaluating an expression, I know I need to solve it to get an answer. So I'm automatically going to put GEMDAS. Okay, so then I'm going to write the expression given, 2 to the fourth power divided by 2 to the second power times 3 to the second power. Now, do I see any groupings? Yes. So which means I have to solve everything in the groupings. So 2 to the fourth, 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Divided by 2 to the second, which is 2 times 2, which is 4. It's still in parentheses because I didn't completely evaluate everything in the parentheses. I just simplified it first. And then it's times 3 squared. So I still have groupings to do. And 16 divided by 4 is 4. Now I need to do exponents first. 3 squared is 9, so it's going to be 4 times 9. And 4 times 9 is 36. Two students are simplifying expressions and want to check if they're equivalent. So are the two expressions equivalent? So this is already in simplest form. Because I cannot add 7x with 6. This is apples, this is oranges, two different things. But this one I have to simplify. So 3 groups of x plus 2 plus 4x. So first I need to distribute the 3 into the x and then the 3 into the 2, which is 3x plus 2 plus 4x. Then I need to box my x's or my coefficients. Plus 3 plus 4, and that's 7x plus 2. Oh, I did something wrong. Let me go double check. 3 times 2 is 6. I don't know why I did 7x plus 6. Oh, they are equivalent. So both expressions are equivalent because when simplifying, student A the given expression is 7x plus 6, thus equal to expression B. When simplifying it's student, yeah, I did that right. Okay. You see, I had to double check my word. 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 2 is 6. 3x plus 6 plus 4x. Which value of x makes the equation true? So basically saying is, what can I substitute? What number can I substitute for x to receive 45? Now I know that 5x, that's a coefficient. And so 5x equals 45. So what I need to do is the inverse operation. 5x means that means 5 times x. So the inverse operation is to divide by 5 on both sides. X equals 9. And then I can check 5 times 9 equals to 45. 45 equals 45. Select all values of x that makes the inequality true. Well, first I want to say this. Like this sign means greater, and this sign means less, right? So this inequalities are very similar to equal signs. So like this is similar to x plus 4 equals 9. The only difference is this is saying a number plus 4 will have to be greater than 9. And this is saying a number plus 4 is equal. So like, for example, x plus 4 equals 9. Inverse operation of to minus 4 is to minus 4 on both sides. So x equals 5. This, on the other hand, means x plus 4 is greater than 9. Do that, minus 4. I keep this, you keep these same inequality symbols, but you solve it as if you're balancing, right? So that cancels out. So this is saying x must be greater than 5. 3 is not greater than 5. 4 is not greater than 5. 5 is not greater than 5. So the only answers it could be is 6 and 7. Let's test it out. So if I had 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. And 7 is not greater than 9. Let's try 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 9 is not greater than 9. Do you understand? Which expression represents 5 more than twice a number? So first I want to do is when I see vocabulary words, I know more equals add. And I know twice equals 2x. So I always start with the bottom half of what's the problem asking. And twice a number in X means 2X. But then it says 5 more. So it's 5 plus 2X. Or, based on the commutative property, it could be 2X plus 5. So the 5X plus 2? No, because it's not 5 times a number. 2X plus 5? Yes. It's not X squared, and it's not 2 plus 2 a number. The answer is B. Write an algebraic expression for the product of a number n and 7 decreased by 3. So my buzzwords, product means to multiply, and decrease is like multiply, subtract. So I'm subtracting 3. Start from the lower half. So what is subtracting 3? Okay, so something being multiplied, n times 7. Okay, so 7n minus 3. Find coordinates for a polygon on the coordinate plane. Plot the points 2, 3. 2, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. I'm sorry. Yeah, do it so much that I had to say it. And 6, 3. Okay. Con Connect the points to form a figure. What shape did you form? Hmm. So to get from 2, 7 to 6, 7, I'm pretty much comparing the 2 and the 6. That's 4 units. Get from 6, 7 to 6, 3. Oh, length equals 4, width equals 4. So the shape is a square. Um, what is the area of the figure? Area equals length times width, and 4 times 16 units squared. You see, like, I didn't have to create a full coordinate plane. I just really like created little points, right? All right, study hard.